Hello and welcome to Cooking with Dan. Today we've got a lunchtime special. We have the multi-seed batch, the Flora butter, the wafer thin honey roast ham slices and the Creamfields grated cheese. Today we are going to be making a ham and cheese sandwich. I was going to have chicken, but yeah, it's still alive. You know, I can't really do that. Oh, I'm only joking. We're gonna have dog instead. Oh no, it's still alive. Oh well. First up, we need the bread. Then we need the butter. For the butter, you will need a knife. Now, there it is, and get a nice bit. Can you see that? That is some nice. That's what that is. It is nice. Spread it on. Look at that. Get right to the edges. You want to get all of that on there. Oh yeah. See that? We've still got a bit left over. Just a bit. So we can use that on the next one. Yeah. We'll get a little. Just a little bit. Get that on there nicely. Oh, we've got a bit on our thumb as well. Just make sure you scrape that off. Yeah. Put that on there. And that is the butter done. Next is the ham. Oh, look at that. That is just, you know, you don't get taught this stuff. Nice flick of the wrist. Just get a nice bit. Oh, nearly. Right, there you go. Put it on nicely. Next up is the cheese. As you see, it's got one of these nice seals on it so that keep the cheese nice and fresh. Can you see that? Can you see the cheese? Can you see it? Can you see it? There it is. Right. Just gonna get a. I think that might be enough. We'll put cheese on there. You see that? Got a bit on that. Yeah, that's nice. Nice bit of cheese. And then we'll just seal that back up. And we'll just check that it's sealed back up. Oh damn it. Cut. Cheese is sealed up, as we can see. Yeah, not going to fool me this time, are you? Got you now. Next up, you want to put that slice back on there and get your knife used earlier. We'll go for rectangles this time. Let me know once again, are you rectangles, squares or triangles, whatever shape you want to do it. That'll do. So that is the sandwich done. But the question is, what about crisps? Because I fancy some crisps. And we haven't got any in the house. So there's only one thing for it. We're going to have to make our own. Got these spuds out the fridge. As I think they're red potatoes. So they will make some nice crisps. Right, so the key to this is you've got to turn the oven on. That's turned on like so. Open up the oven. Put your spuds in the oven and leave them for about 5 minutes, but we will speed up time. Right, so we are back with the oven so we can get the crisps out. Oh, look at that! Like brand new. Cheese and onion, my favourite. Well, maybe. And there we have it. That is how you make a ham and cheese sandwich with crisps, cheese and onion obviously. And to save washing up, we're just going to eat off the chopping board because think smarter, work harder, or something like that. We'll go with that. But anyway, if you do enjoy the video or or whatever, like it, subscribe it, share it, and leave a nice comment. So tell me what your favourite sandwich is. This isn't my favourite. My favourite would probably be, I don't know, what do you think? Exactly. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video.